In this video, I'd like to show you how to submit your website to Google Search Console. Now, you might be asking yourself why you want to submit your website to Google Search Console, and the truth is that unless you do that, it might actually be a very long time before Google will ever find your website and know that it even exists. So this is one way of registering your website essentially and being able to submit your URL so that it's found and it's indexed by Google so that you actually show up in the search results. So in order to do that, what you do is you navigate here to search.google.com. Go ahead and type in that web address, and this is assuming that you already have a Google account. So I'm going to go ahead and start now. So I'm logged in here, and I'm going to register a new account. So go up here to search property, add property, and I'm going to go ahead and submit the URL right here. Click continue. And so what you have to do to verify ownership, this is the way that I like to do it, especially since I use the Avada theme for WordPress, is I like to use the HTML tag. And so what I'll do is I'll click right here and highlight and copy and paste this code right here. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to come back over here to Avada, and let's just assume that you're navigating from the dashboard. You go to Avada, Theme Options, and scroll down here to Advanced, Code Fields. And what you'll do is you want to put that code right here in the space before the head. And you just copy and paste it right there, save changes, and then what you'll do is you'll come back here to this page and you'll click Verify. And if everything was done correctly, ownership verified. Great. And then I can go to the property. And here I am. I'm all set in Google Search Console. And then what I wanted to do is do a URL inspection. I'm going to go ahead and type in HTTPS and then go to Avada file. And I'm going to retrieve the data for that. And so as you can see here, URL is on Google, and you want to request indexing. And again, indexing is basically going to send the Google bots to scan your website and I guess connect to all the other links as well. And that will be the first step to getting it found in search results. So you simply request the indexing right there. This can take a minute or two, as it says right here. All right, so that did take about a minute to 2 minutes to get it submitted for this to come up here. But it has been submitted and it's ready to be crawled. And so crawling sometimes can take a few days for that to happen. And so you have to be patient with it. But we'll just go ahead and click Got It right here. And so everything has been submitted at this point and you're good to go. And so if in the future, anytime that, this is a little SEO tip here, is anytime that you come up with a new page, if you're doing a blog, I would always come here back to this Google Search Console and I would put that URL up here, whatever it is that leads back to that page, and always submit it. And that's just one way that you can request the Google bots to scan your website. It'll happen just a little bit faster. Honestly, if you didn't do that at all, eventually it might happen, but it would be greatly delayed overall. So this is the best way to do that. It's very simple. If you have any questions, please let me know.